Before the world wakes up, you have a choice. You can drift through the morning or you can own it. The Stoics believed mornings shape our entire lives. Start strong and the day bends in your favor. Here are 10 Stoic habits to start each morning with intention and clarity. 1. Wake with purpose. Don't reach for your phone. Sit up, breathe, and ask, what kind of person will I be today? Set your intention before distractions arrive. 2. Remember, you will die. Memento mori. This day is a gift. Don't take it for granted. Use the reminder of death not to fear, but to focus. 3. Practice negative visualization. Imagine what could go wrong today, not to panic, but to prepare. This builds resilience and gratitude. 4. Read a line of wisdom. One quote from Marcus Aurelius or Epictetus can shift your mindset for the whole day. Feed your mind before the world distracts it. 5. Embrace discomfort. Cold shower, a workout, silence. The Stoics trained for difficulty, so when life hits, they were ready. 6. Journal your thoughts. Write down what you're grateful for, what you fear, what virtues you want to embody. This is how Stoics sharpen their minds. 7. Control what you can. Focus only on what's within your power. Thoughts, actions, reactions. Let go of what you can't control. That's freedom. 8. Speak less. Listen more. Start your day in quiet. Let your first words be thoughtful. The Stoics valued silence over noise. 9. Serve someone. Send a kind message. Make someone's morning better. Stoicism isn't selfish. It's service with strength. 10. Begin. Don't wait for motivation. Take action. The Stoics believe that momentum creates clarity. Move, and your purpose will follow. Final thought. Mornings are sacred. Use them to train your body, your mind, and your soul. Own your morning, and you own your life.